In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catalog in Shopify step by step. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to refine your online store, having a well-organized catalog is crucial for attracting customers and providing them with a seamless shopping experience. So, let's get started. First things first, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This page is the hub where you can manage all aspects of your online store. From here, look for the option labeled Online Store in the navigation panel on the left-hand side and give it a click. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu appear where you'll want to select Pages. This section allows you to create and manage various content pages on your site, including the one we'll be working on today for your catalog. Once you're within the Pages section, proceed by clicking on Add Page. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll be prompted to enter a title for your new catalog page. Choose a title that reflects the content and purpose of the catalog, something that will be both catchy and descriptive for your customers. After you have settled on a title, move on to the main content area where you'll type in the detailed information about your catalog. This might include categories of products, special collections, or whatever you think will entice your customers to browse further. Now, focusing on the search engine listing preview below, you'll see a little pencil icon. Click on this to edit the page title, add a meta description, and adjust the URL handle. Each of these elements plays a significant role in how your page is indexed by search engines, so make sure they are aligned with the keywords and phrases pertinent to your business and products. The meta description should be concise but informative, aimed at attracting clicks by clearly conveying the page's value. Once you've optimized your page for search engines, look for the visibility settings on the page and ensure that it's set to visible. This way your catalog can be accessed by visitors as soon as you're ready to launch. Before moving on, don't forget to hit the save button to preserve all the changes you've made. To ensure your catalog is easily accessible from your store's main menu, head over to the navigation section from the admin dashboard, click on main menu, and then select add menu item. For consistency and simplicity, use the same label, the title of your catalog, when naming this new menu item. Following this, navigate to the link field and connect it to the page you just created. Select Pages and find your catalog title to create the link. Finally, save your changes. Congratulations, you now have a functioning catalog page on your Shopify store. It's incorporated into your main navigation, making it easy for customers to find and explore. Thanks for following along and happy selling on Shopify.